Hello everyone, Monstron here and welcome to another video. Today you can see I have my microphone on and today I'm hoping to harvest quite a bit, but I'm just looking now at the top of my screen. You can't see it, but at the top of my screen it's telling me I've got 19 minutes of video left, so basically storage on this phone. So hopefully I can get all this lot done. I was planning on time-lapsing a potato harvest today. There's a couple of people near my plot and I find it a bit awkward talking on camera when people are around because obviously stuff is happening, hence why I'm down here. We'll go up, I'll show you a little bit of what's going on. But like I said, there's not a great deal of storage by the looks of it. Maybe I should have emptied my phone before I come here, but yeah, I can't do anything about that right now. Right, so let's go up to the allotment and I'll show you what's what. Right, as you can see, the pumpkin plant here, this pumpkin is rather a decent size now, so he's getting there. But I've noticed on the second plant here, I'm pretty sure that that is another one coming. It's just the start of one now. So, second pumpkin maybe? We will see. So today's plan was to try and harvest those potatoes there. So I don't know how I'm going to do that. I don't know if I'm going to record it or not due to my limited storage. Let's get on with it. Right, I have hyperlapsed the first couple of bits, so time lapsed the first little bit. I stopped it then just to try and save a bit of storage. But as you can see, all there is dug over, and behind that bucket is where it ends. And in the bucket is all the potatoes I harvested. We'll go home, I'll put them all out. You can see there at that bottom, that one's no good, so that's going to have to go in the garden waste bin at home. But yeah, nice little yield. A bit smaller than I was expecting, but also at the same time, some of them were a bit bigger than I was expecting. I'm not doing any more here now. I forgot to bring a drink over. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to water everything, give all the plants a drink, go home, have a drink myself, and then we'll lay these out and we'll see what we've got at home. Right, so you'll see me when I'm at home. Right, so here we are, we're at home. I'm about to lay these out on the table and we'll see what we got. So here is the yield, all out on the table, sure. A couple of little tiny ones here, probably no good for anything. Those two, no good. Something's either eaten at or whatnot, and something's been eaten through. That one, so those two are no good. A lot of these, like that one there, I think that's just me piercing it as I harvested it. There's quite a few, including this big one. I don't know how well that is focused in. Like I said, I'm just at home here. I've counted 37 useful ones. I probably miscounted. Obviously, there they are, all are on the screen. You can count them again. Again, that one I've kind of pierced through a bit awkwardly. But yeah, nice size to some of them. Decent size there. I'm happy. You know, there's better yield than I got on my last sort of practice. They were all about this size when I got them out last time. But yeah, so they are really nice. Right, second time recording this. In the corner, you may have noticed that I had this box. This is a solar panelled irrigation system for the tomatoes behind me here. Don't know how well the sun is affecting it, but the idea is I'm going to obviously set this up and see how well it works. The idea was to do it this weekend, but I think I'm going to now have to wait now till next weekend, purely because I have wasted most of this weekend. No simple terms, sorry about the traffic, so look forward to that. Don't forget, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think about this video. I'm quite happy with our yield, although I'm not entirely sure how many I planted. I'll find out previously on one of the old videos. I'll stick it down below me here, so it'll be on the side of the screen. But next week, hopefully I'll get this irrigation system fitted, so that'll automatically water. I believe once a day for 10 minutes a day should hopefully be enough for these tomatoes. But anyway, I'll catch you all next week, and ciao for now everyone.